everyone, so today we're doing a very exciting video. As you can see, I am barefaced. Very scary stuff going on right now, but that will soon change because today we are doing a full face of makeup we bought off Wish. I am so excited to do this video, you guys. This is probably the most requested video on my channel right now. Almost every video I post, you guys comment, do Wish makeup, try Wish makeup, so I got you. I saw your comments, I listened, I spent a stupid amount of money on Wish makeup, and I'm here to try them. So as you guys can see, we got a big box of makeup I got off Wish, and I'm gonna be trying it on my face. Now before we get started, because I know I'm gonna get questions about this, yes, I am a little bit nervous to put some of this stuff on my face, because if you guys know Wish, it's a bunch of individual sellers, and Wish is just the kind of like wholesale seller, kind of like eBay, you buy from individual sellers. So there are some items that are verified by Wish, which basically means that Wish has checked it out and made sure that it actually is a good product and it's probably safe for you. But then there's obviously a majority of products that don't have that verification. So when choosing my makeup products, I did look at a lot of the reviews, and I also looked to see if they were verified, but not all the items were. Just because they looked so cool, I just wanted to try them, even though it could possibly ruin my skin. It's worth it because you guys wanted to see. So I'm excited to see how these products work. Hopefully there aren't any harmful chemicals in any of them that react with my skin, but we honestly don't know, so I mean, let's stop procrastinating and just get into it. You guys, I'm so excited. I just want to do like a haul of everything I got. Like I got fake KKW Beauty contour sticks, eyelashes, the unicorn oil highlighters. I didn't get all like fake dupes or anything, but I did get Tart shape tape. Tart shape tape. Couple eyeshadow palettes, lip palettes. Oh my goodness, so much, so much stuff, you guys. I'm so excited to get into this. I have been wanting to do this video as much as you guys have been wanting to see it. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is just spray my face with some water. This says it's the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray, but it's just water. I ran out of it. Didn't want to get rid of the container, you know. And I have dry skin, so in the wintertime I like to just spray it off. That's kind of like my primer. So moving on into foundation. So I picked up two different foundations. I have a Imitation Fenty Beauty by Rihanna and also a Imitation Dermacool. And I say that these are imitations because the price is way too low for it to be real. It's just unreasonable to think that it's real. I've yet to open up any of the products, so let's just take a look at what we're dealing with. I think we'll start off opening the Fenty, and I got this in the shade 120. I don't have the real Fenty foundation to even compare the packaging, but from what it looks like it's actually a little bit small. Well, actually, I don't know. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this foundation was $11, and now let's open up the Dermacool one. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, I don't know. Okay, inside this box it has like a little pamphlet. What? Okay, so here is this. If you guys have heard of this foundation, it's supposed to be like tattoo covering, insane, like almost theater makeup pretty much. So we got this to choose from. Wow, it actually has like a metal stopper that I have to, oh. So you have to like poke the metal thing, and I swear I wasn't squeezing it. I think it was just compressed so tightly in there that when I poked it, it just burst out. Okay, 1 minute, I must clean up. I definitely blame myself for that happening because I should have seen that coming. The shade actually looks not too bad for me. It's really pale, so it's kind of up my alley. I just can't decide which one I want to use because I kind of want to use both. But okay, here is the Fenty one. Okay. Wow, that is a very thick, weird feeling. You know what? I actually think I'm gonna try the Dermacool one. So I think we're gonna put the Fenty one to the side, but if you guys wanna see another video of me trying Wish makeup, I'll use it in the next one. But for now, we're going to use this one. So I'm just gonna use my normal beauty blender, and I actually did order beauty blenders off of Wish, but they never came. They got lost in the mail. This foundation actually doesn't smell like chemicals, which makes me feel a little bit better, but not all the way better. Blending in okay. It's not super covering, which is weird because this is literally supposed to be like the most full coverage foundation ever, and mine is sheer, which is kind of weird. It smells so good though. It smells like orange flavored chocolate. I feel like it's irritating my eyes a little bit already, and it's not even that close to my eyes, but I kind of think I'm just being an idiot because as soon as I think something could possibly react with my skin, I'll just be like, it's reacting. It's like the placebo effect where you think a pill's helping you when really it's like a sugar pill or something. That's me. Like, I would fall for that. You can actually see freckles on my skin. It didn't cover hardly anything. It just gave like a nice sheen and definitely like light coverage. Okay, so now on to the concealer. So for this one, I got the one that looks a lot like Shape Tape, which is kind of funny because on their ad, it never said like Tart anywhere on it, and it also didn't have the labeling that it actually does have. As you can see on here, it says Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer, and then it's in the shade Light. But on the ad on Wish, it never said Tarte or Shape Tape on it because I don't think they want to be like sued or anything, when in actuality it's clear they are trying to remake it. But okay, so I'm excited to try this. Never have got to try Shape Tape before, and now this is how I'm trying it. Oh my goodness, I just realized the shade. This is like a bluey toned white. That is so weird. It smells like the chlorine that you put in a hot tub. That's messed up. And right under my eye, like my most delicate spot. This is making me super nervous. To have it around my eyes is a lot worse than just like all over my face or on my lips. I feel like around my eyes scares me. Just drag it on top of my lids. Pretend that you're not afraid. Okay. Okay, so the next item that we're gonna dive into is the Imitation KKW Beauty. Okay, I just realized everything I've used so far has been like an imitation. Wish exclusive pieces will be coming. Like things that aren't a remake, I do have them. They're just more for the eyes, so this is next. Okay, here are the pieces that were in the package. So it's got her little brush. This is the lightest plastic I've ever felt in my life. The brush is actually pretty soft. Sponge is soft, but this part, like the thinnest, I could probably genuinely break it, but I won't. And then here are the two sticks, so let's see. So that is a very red brown. I would actually guess that this is more of a lip color on me than a contour. It's really shiny actually. And on the other side, there is a concealer. The other stick is kind of the same idea, but so this one doesn't have any sparkles in it though. And oh my, let me just actually swatch these. And this like concealer. Okay, that is super opaque. Wow. Honestly, if you were me, what shade would you contour with? We're just gonna contour our cheeks, our nose, forehead, pretty much our whole face. All right, it's blending out nice actually, other than the color is very red on me. I don't think I'm gonna contour my nose too much just because this color is gonna do more bad than good, I think. Okay, so just a quick update. My eye, especially on this side near the outside, is getting kind of irritated actually, which is scaring me a little bit, but oh well. We didn't even use her brush. Okay, so the next thing we're going to use was $7, and this is the Unicorn Oil Illuminating Drops, and this was super popular on Instagram, and I got this in 04. Here is what it looks like. I don't have the original, so this looks pretty good to me. I don't trust it, but I'm not mad at it. Like, it looks pretty cute actually. Wait, what? Where is all this crustiness coming from? This is so sketchy, you guys. There's like white flakes. What? Okay. I'm getting covered in like white. Can you see this? Okay, I'm just gonna shake this up. I'm just gonna drop it where I usually would highlight. The smell of this, it is clear they are trying to cover up the smell of chemicals because it smells so perfumey. Oh my goodness, and that's not blending in. Oh no! It literally looks like I just rubbed cottage cheese on my face. I know sometimes when you use a liquid highlighter and you've already set with powder, sometimes it will separate, but that's why I specifically hadn't set with powder yet, because I wanted to give this a fair go, but that looks terrible. That looks awful, but don't worry, I have another powder highlighter so that we'll put over, so hopefully it'll come together from that. Okay, so it's time to set. So I'm gonna be using this Imitation Ben Nye powder. It's called Baristi, but it looks like Ben Nye. And it's supposed to be like the banana powder. This actually took a long time to get here. I had to like dispute it because I didn't think it was coming, and then randomly one day it was just in my mailbox. So I guess I'll just tap some out. I'm actually gonna shut my eyes while I do it just so that no flakes accidentally fly up into it. Okay, other eye. Set under this sharp contour. Whoops. Okay, so moving on to another highlighter. I'm so excited about this, you guys. Guess what? It is a rainbow highlighter. Look how pretty that actually is. I'm just gonna take the top 3 colors and try and highlight. Ooh! I actually think this one may have been verified by Wish, so that also makes me feel a little bit better. Oh my goodness, that nose highlight is poppin'. Ooh, the first product to actually work really good. The highlighter. So what, like 1 in 5 has been good? Okay. Okay, so now we are a little bit closer because we're gonna start working on our eyes. So this is our face base. Not terrible, not that great, scared for my life, whatever. So I have this little eyebrow pencil, and it just looks like this. It was pretty inexpensive, just a basic pencil on one side and a little brush spoolie on the other. I also had this little like wine bottle that's supposed to be like dye for your eyebrows, but I was like thinking about it and I was like, what if this dye goes terribly wrong? Okay, so it's a little bit waxy. I'm pretty sure I ordered this in taupe and then I got you. Wow. What? Okay, cleaning it up has helped a little bit, but not like a bunch. We are now moving on into the danger zone, the eyes. This is where I'm very nervous, just because if I get any like chemicals in my eyes, that's not gonna be the best. So I got 2 eyeshadow palettes from brands that I've never heard of. Maybe you have, but I haven't. Here's one of them. Pretty cute. It's pretty little. Is it just me or do those look kind of similar? Like the same sort of color schemes happening. And then I got this glitter eyeshadow palette, and yeah, I haven't opened any of these. So this blue one got a little beat up. Okay, so here is the palette now. Actually super pretty colors. Let's swatch one just to see. Oh wow, they're really loose. Oh my gosh. Okay, that wasn't a very good swatch. Okay. So pretty on my finger. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know. So I'm gonna dip into this palette. This palette was actually like 10 bucks. I don't think it's worth $10. So we're just gonna start off with a base color. So I'm gonna go into the crease with this transition shade. These 2 look good. Oh wow. I see a little bit of color payoff. Let's try this color because that's kind of the most unique. Okay, we're gonna take this color onto our bottom lash line. That was weird. That drew it like a perfect line. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I'm gonna take some concealer on a little shader brush. This eyeshadow is really super patchy. This little glitter eyeliner I got. Oh my gosh, my eye's itchy. And I have an idea to sculpt out the crease. That's actually not too bad. This is really pretty. Okay, so I'm just fanning this eyeliner with the Dermacol thing, but because it's taking a really long time to dry and every time I open my eyes it's smudging a little bit. Dang it! Okay, so what am I gonna do with this? Is it too much glitter to add it? I mean, like, this isn't super great looking, so we may as well just have fun. What color? Should I do this one? I'm a little bit upset with myself because I think it looked better before I did that. On to the eyeliner that I got. This is a pretty cool eyeliner. The ad had it so that it was like a stamp on one side and then an eyeliner on the other side, so that's pretty cool. All right, so here is the, oh my gosh, look at that. It's an eyeliner stamp. Okay, not bad actually. Okay, I'm definitely gonna try that. I'm gonna try really hard to get this in the camera angle. So I'm just gonna use line up the stamp and then, I mean, like, not bad. If you're really bad at eyeliner and you just need a little bit of a guide. You guys, my makeup looks so bad. I'm wondering if I should like take it off and try again. You know what? No, we just gotta keep going. Maybe some more glitter? No, stop being crazy. I'm sorry if you guys came here to see a good makeup tutorial. That's just apparently impossible. So now I'm just gonna put on mascara. I actually have to use my real mascara because at the time when I ordered all of this stuff, I still had eyelash extensions, so I didn't think I would need mascara, but I do have eyelashes to put on, so let me just put this on quickly. Okay, so now I am hoping and praying that these eyelashes transform my look. Like, it takes it from awful to like beautiful. Is that too much to ask of eyelashes? These eyelashes are almost big enough that they might cover my eyeshadow, which would be amazing if they would do that for me. All right. Let's pop these lashes on. Okay, so I got the eyelashes to a point where I don't want to rip them off my face in a fit of rage, but I am irritated because this one piece that's just going straight out to this side, like who okayed that? We are nearing the end of our look. There are 2 lipsticks. So we have a really deep color that would just really take our look to the next level. And then we have another decently deep, less deep. Okay, we have a big decision to make. No, I think we better do dark. So this is a liquid lipstick. I actually think this one was free, so that's insane. I just need this to come through. I'm doing a filth overline right now. You know what? I'm already in so deep. I'm just gonna do some like drag race overlines. Why not at this point? What am I doing? Oh my word, Mia, your lips look so good. Did you get lip injections? You mean these old things? Raise your hand if you're scared. Probably not doing it justice, but at least you got a good color swatch. There's a lot to see here. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me trying Wish makeup. As you can see, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I know you guys have been requesting it. If you want to see me do another video like this one, I'm totally open to trying more products and maybe doing like a neutral look that hopefully won't bust so bad. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you want to see more videos on my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you think this look is sickening. Gets 0 thumbs up. Okay. But okay, so I'm gonna go wash my face because I can kind of feel my eyes burning right now. I think I might have got glitter in them. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!